picture, aren't they, at the beginning? Lion and tiger, and the giraffe sticking his head up and going, I'm on the wrong boat. Giraffes have no sound. You know the sound thing? Giraffes don't have a sound. They have no danger sound. A giraffe in Africa, if it sees danger, if it sees a tiger, it would experience two emotions, fear and surprise. Two of the emotions of the Spanish Inquisition. Which Monty Python has taught us so well. If you don't know, you discovered Monty Python. Dallas PBS discovered Monty Python. So thank you. Because they helped me come along and do this. And all I've done is stolen from Monty Python. That's all I'm doing is just doing Monty Python stand-up, really. It's that good. Anyway, so giraffe sees tiger, fear and surprise. Fear, because it is a tiger. Surprise, because there are no tigers in Africa. What's it doing there? It must be on holiday. So he sees the tiger. The giraffe turns to the other giraffes to warn the other giraffes, and there's nothing, there's no... Or if he had a jazz chicken around his neck, hopefully there would have been... And then they could retreat in threes and wheel round and basically form into sections. This joke was really funny about 150 years ago. When doing US cavalry gigs. But you know what I mean? Nothing, there's nothing. If you look at Wikipedia, I did, and giraffes cough. So they must use coughing to show danger. The old British method of using coughing to signify danger and the end of empire. So the giraffe must turn and just go. Other giraffes still eating. Tiger. 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 There's a tiger over there. Tiger. Tiger at 4 o'clock. Ha ha ha!